Are you tired of carrying multiple charging cables for your devices? Look no further. The AOHI Lightning and USB-C cable set is here to solve all your charging needs. This set includes two types of charging cables, each with 4 different length combinations. You can create your own custom length, ranging from 0.33 feet for on-the-go use to 8.5 feet for home use. The AOHI cable set is perfect for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and more. One of the standout features of this cable set is its ability to create custom cable lengths to fit your needs. This versatility makes it ideal for charging devices in various locations. The AOHI Lightning and USB-C cable set boasts PD 3.1 fast charging capabilities, delivering high-speed charging to compatible devices. It also features a tangle-free design, making it convenient for everyday use. AOHI certification ensures that the cables are compatible with Apple products, providing quick and efficient charging. The set also works with other devices that have USB Type-C ports, making it a versatile choice for users with multiple devices. The AOHI cable set is sleek and modern, with a high-quality build and a stylish gift box. The different combination lengths offer flexibility and convenience for various scenarios. Pros: versatility, fast charging, compatibility, AOHI certification, and premium gift box packaging. Cons: higher price compared to some other options and no video output support. Customers are generally satisfied with the AOHI Lightning and USB-C cable set, appreciating its convenience and functionality. Some minor issues have been reported, but the majority of users find the cables to be durable and reliable. The AOHI Lightning and USB-C cable set is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile and high-quality charging solution for their devices. With its customizable lengths, fast charging capabilities, and compatibility with both USB-C and Lightning devices, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to simplify their charging needs.